Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing well. So today we'll learn how to make broad bean and tomato curry. So for that, keep a kadai on stove, add 1 tablespoon of oil, once heated, add tempering to it, that is 1 slit red chilli, few mustard seeds, few cumin seeds, one spoon of chana dal, few curry leaves to it and fry well till chana dal turns golden brown. Add chopped green chilies and onion. And fry well. Add 1 tablespoon of rock salt here. Fry until onions turn into translucent. Add chopped broad beans here. Mix well. Cover and cook on a low flame for 5 minutes. Open the lid and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of red chilli powder and mix well. Now add chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Add 1 glass of water here and cover and cook on a low flame for 5 minutes. Open and mix again. Check salt and add if needed. That's all. Yummy curry is ready. oil should float on the curry like this. Serve hot with chapati, rotis and white rice. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.